discussing now the very important question in this chapter. The chapter is oscillations. Very important question in this chapter for 8 marks question. This is the 8 marks question. Now, what is the question? But how we can get this in the examination? First, define simple harmonic motion. In the previous class, we had discussed about the definition of simple harmonic motion. You must write the definition. After that, show that the particle is in a uniform circular motion on any diameter. In the circle it is called diameter. Like this is diameter. The uniform circular motion of any diameter is SH, means simple harmonic motion. Means now we want to show that when a particle moves along the uniform circular motion of any diameter lies in simple harmonic motion. But in the simple harmonic motion, we know that displacement must be expressed either sin theta or cos theta. Anyone you take, either sin or cos. That is our wish. Now, how we want to show that? Now, let us see the board, and very important, all of you must be record this. Now, first, we want to take, this is a one circle. Its radius you take capital A. Along the circle, this is called, in the circle it is called circumference. Along the circumference of the circle, one particle moving with a uniform angular velocity. What is the symbol for angular velocity? Omega. Now let us see. Consider a particle P. It is a particle P. Consider a particle P moving on the circumference. It is called circumference of a circle of radius. How much the radius of the circle? Capital A. With uniform angular velocity. What is the symbol for angular velocity? Omega. Okay? Up to here it is full stop. Now, we take, this is the particle on the circumference of the circle, particle is located here. From this point we want to take one normal towards x dash. What is x dash? Diameter of the circle. Y dash, it is also diameter of the circle. But here PM is normal, drawn towards diameter x dash, and PN is also normal, drawn towards diameter y dash from point P. Means PM and PN are normals. What is another name for normals? Perpendiculars. PM and PN are normals or perpendiculars drawn from point P along x dash and y dash of the circle. What is x dash? Diameter of the circle along x axis. Y dash is the diameter along the y axis. Okay? X dash is the diameter of the circle along x axis. Y dash is the diameter of the circle along y axis. Towards these diameters we take two normals. What are the two normals? PM and PN. Okay, now see the figure. This is the angular velocity. We know that the product of angular velocity and time, product of angular velocity into time is called angular displacement. Okay, we know that. I would like to write one small here, angular velocity theta by t, then theta is equal to how much? Omega t. What is omega? Omega is called angular velocity, theta is called angular displacement, t is the time. Take in this side theta is equal omega t, I am taken here, that is angle. Now from figure write the sin theta. What is the formula of sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? PM. What is hypotenuse? OP. What is PM? PM is y by a. So y is equal to a sin theta. Y is equal to a sin. What is a theta? Theta is equal to omega t, or theta is equal to omega t. Okay, from figure what we can get? Sin theta as finally y is equal to a sin omega t. From figure you write the cos theta. What is the formula of cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? PN. What is hypotenuse? Adjacent side is PN or OM, anyone. PN or OM. By hypotenuse is OP. What is PN? PN is equal to X. What is the cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? PN by OP. What is PN from figure? X. What is OP from figure? A. So what we can get? X is equal to A cos theta, and finally what we can get? X is equal to A. What is a cos theta? What is a theta? Omega t. Theta is equal to omega t. Theta is equal to omega t. We can get the two equations. Along x axis we get one equation. Along y axis we will get one equation. Now y and x are the which one? Displacements of the particles. X and y are the which one? Displacements of the particles. What is A? Amplitude. Radius, but here what it is called? Amplitude. What is amplitude? We are discussed in the last class. Maximum displacement is called amplitude. What is the omega? Angular velocity. What is the omega? 2 pi n or 2 pi by t. What is the n? N is called frequency. What is the t? Time period. Now, what is the frequency? What is the frequency? Number of oscillations or number of vibrations in 1 second is called frequency. Number of oscillations or number of vibrations in 1 second is called frequency. Symbol for frequency is N. In some books we can write frequency is F also. Why? The frequency starts with the letter of F. Okay. Now, what is the unit for the frequency? Scientist name Hertz. Shortcut we can write Hz. What is the unit of the frequency? Hertz. Otherwise, second inverse. Second inverse. Next, time period. Now, what is the time period? Time taken for one oscillation is called time period. Time taken for one oscillation is called time period, denoted by the symbol of capital T. What is the unit of the time period? Second. Okay. Now, we are discuss now displacement of the particle in simple harmonic motion. Displacement of the particle in SHM, simple harmonic motion, is expressed either sin theta or cos theta. Now it is proved. either sin theta or cos theta. Okay. Now it is our wish to write x or y, but here in maximum we can take x is equal to a sin theta. From the derivation we can get sin theta is equal to y. What is the y? Y is displacement. No need to take y. X also you can take. It is not a wrong. It is a correct expression. Okay. From the diagram we will get y is equal to a sin theta and x is equal to a cos theta. But don't worry about it. Compulsory you want to write y is equal to a sin theta and x is equal to a cos theta. It is not the correct. It is not compulsory. Okay. Now here I am taken as x is equal to a sin theta. It is also taken as what is the theta? Omega t. That's why x is equal to a sin omega t. Otherwise we can write like this also, x is equal to a sin omega t plus phi also. What is the phi? Phi is called initial phase. What is the phi? Phi is called initial phase. Okay. Anyhow we can get the displacement of the particle in SHM, simple harmonic motion, expressed either sin or cos. But now we want to show that the acceleration of the particle in SHM, proportional to displacement but lies in opposite direction. Now we want to show that. To prove that, first you want to calculate velocity. What do you want to calculate? Velocity. See that slowly all of you record in your notes this one. Now I am dropping this. Now second one, velocity of particle in SHM is v is equal to dx by dt. What is x? A sin omega t plus phi. Now let us take a is common. Now v is equal to a differentiation of sin omega t is cos omega t plus 5 into omega. So v is equal to a omega cos omega t plus 5. Or this is the velocity of the particle is in SHM. Otherwise v is equal to a omega. How we can write cos omega t? 1 minus sin square omega t plus 5 whole power half. It is a mathematical expression you have studied in 10th class. V is equal to a omega into 1 minus, how we can write this one? X square by a square whole power half. Now a omega into a square minus x square by a square whole power half. Now we can write this as a omega root a square minus x square by root a square. So a omega root a square minus x square by a cancel. Root a square is equal to how much? A. So what is a v? V is equal to a omega root a square minus x square. This is the another equation for velocity of the particle is in SHM, and V maximum is equal to a omega. This is another formula. Okay. Why we can get V maximum is equal to a omega means x maximum is equal to a. X maximum is equal to a square what happen? Cancel. Okay, now velocity of the particle is how much? We have two equations. One is a omega cos omega t plus phi or a omega cos omega t. This is one equation. Now, what is another equation without harmonic functions? V is equal to a omega root a square minus x square. Now, what is the equation for maximum velocity? The equation for the maximum velocity is a omega. Okay, is it clear? What is the velocity of the particle is in SHM? A omega cos omega t plus phi or a omega cos omega t. Now, without the harmonic functions, what is the equation for the velocity of the particle in SHM? V is equal to a omega root a square minus x square, or velocity maximum is equal to formula V maximum is equal a omega. Why? For maximum velocity x becomes a, x is equal to a, so V maximum is equal to a omega. Okay, this is the equation for the velocity of the particle is in SHM. Now, the third one and important. And what is that one? Third one. Acceleration of particle in SHM is. Now, what is the equation for acceleration? A is equal to dv by dt, d by dt into what is V? A omega cos omega t plus phi. Now, a omega is common. Here I am taken a omega is common. Again, a omega. What is the differentiation of? Differentiation of cos omega t plus phi. The differentiation of cos omega t plus phi is minus sin omega t plus phi into omega. So what happened? A is equal to minus omega square A sin omega t plus phi. This is the equation. Or A is equal to minus omega square x. Why? What is x? A sin omega t. What is the omega? Angular velocity, but it is uniform. So what happened here? A proportional to minus x. It is proved. What is proved? Acceleration is proportional to displacement acts in opposite direction. It is proved that acceleration is proportional to the displacement acts in an opposite direction. Okay? Is proved or not? Acceleration is proportional to displacement, but in acts in opposite direction. The negative sign is indicates opposite direction. Next, at x maximum A, therefore A is equal minus, therefore A maximum is equal minus omega square A. Okay, this is a very important question in this chapter for 8 marks. Now first we want to derive the displacement of the particle lies in SHM. After that we want to prove that acceleration is proportional to the displacement, acts in opposite direction. What is the mathematical equation for it? Is A proportional to minus x, or A is equal to minus omega square x. Okay, now what is acceleration equation? Generally how we can get in the derivation form? A is equal to minus omega square A sin omega t plus phi. A is equal to minus omega square A sin omega t plus phi. By the substitution of displacement, we get the acceleration A is equal to minus omega square x. Okay, A is equal to minus omega square x. It is proved that acceleration is proportional to displacement, acts in opposite direction, and at maximum displacement, acceleration is A maximum is equal to minus omega square A. Okay, this is a very important question in this chapter for 8 marks.